Fidelity Investments Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description. Fidelity Investments offers one of the most comprehensive financial tools in the market, designed for investors seeking robust portfolio management, retirement planning, and investment analysis. The platform includes key features such as portfolio tracking, goal-based planning, advanced research tools, and seamless integration with Fidelity brokerage accounts. Users can analyze their holdings in real time, monitor asset allocation, and access in-depth market insights. This tool is ideal for both beginners and advanced investors. New investors benefit from its easy-to-use interface, automated recommendations, and retirement calculators, while experienced traders can leverage its in-depth stock research, technical indicators, and tax optimization tools. One standout feature is its retirement score, which evaluates your savings and provides actionable steps to improve long-term financial security. Additionally, the cash flow and budgeting tool helps users plan expenses and savings efficiently. Strengths include its integration with Fidelity's vast investment ecosystem, low-cost trading, and high-quality research reports. The tool's AI-driven insights and educational resources also make it a valuable asset for those looking to enhance their financial knowledge. Security is top-tier, with multi-factor authentication and encrypted transactions ensuring data protection. However, weaknesses include its focus on Fidelity products, which may not appeal to users with accounts at other brokers. Some advanced features, like detailed tax loss harvesting, are limited compared to specialized platforms. Additionally, while powerful, the learning curve for advanced analytics tools may be steep for beginners. Overall, Fidelity's financial tool is an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline investment management, improve financial planning, and access top-tier research. If you're a Fidelity customer, this tool is a must-have. If you're using multiple brokers, you may need additional platforms for full integration. Check the links in the description to explore Fidelity's financial tool and see how it fits your investment strategy.